What's up guys, it's MaCenna and it's Christmas and Christmas is like 3 weeks away. Excuse me, no barky. No barking. No, I don't want that baby. That baby's creepy. So we went to Universal Studios for the snow at Harry Potter Land. Harry Potter Land? Harry Potter World? Hogwarts? The Wizarding World of Harry Potter? I don't know. And my boyfriend, RJ, always likes to play the basketball games when we're at theme parks or like the Santa Monica Pier. And he won this creepy, crusty doll. Creepy, crusty doll at the Simpsons little area. And Kinsley's like angry at it. But, I mean, this creepy... So it's finally the holidays and I finally get to decorate my home for Christmas. So I'm super excited. It is my favorite time of year, hands down. Over any other holiday, I'll take Christmas all day long. I love the way it makes me feel and the lights and the energy and the happiness and presents, maybe? So I absolutely love it and I can't wait every year to decorate my home for Christmas. So this year, we're gonna decorate it together. So I already got my tree from the tree lot and I love it. It's so pretty. I think next year I'm gonna go with like a more like sparse tree that doesn't have like so many limbs or a little more chic of a tree. I don't know, we'll see what I can find. I put all of the lights on it already, so I got that out of the way, but we're going to decorate it with ornaments and a pretty bow at the top, and then decorate the mantle behind me. Just make it warm and cozy and very Christmassy in my living room. So first we're gonna get started making a really simple and easy quick DIY, which are snowflakes made out of hot glue and then dipped in a little bit of sugar and glitter. Is gonna turn out really cool. So let's get started with that and then we'll get started decorating.
So what you're gonna need to make these hot glue snowflakes is a piece of parchment paper, a hot glue gun, a bowl of sugar, the glitter color of your choice, some metallic thread for the hooks of the snowflake, a tray to catch the excess sugar, Mod Podge glue, and a paintbrush. So first you're going to start off with your parchment paper and hot glue, and you're just going to make the shape of your snowflake. You can do tons of different designs, and don't worry about the hot glue drying too fast because as you put more layers of hot glue on top, it'll just melt what's underneath, so you have time to really create the design of your choice. I'm going to be doing 3 different designs, one with 3 little arrows on each of the stems, I guess, and one with 2 and one with 4. Once you're finished with the hot glue, you're just going to let it dry, and while we wait, we're going to be making the hooks for our snowflakes, and I never can find the ends of string that's tangled, but you're just going to cut about a 5-inch long piece of string and tie it in a knot at the end and make a little loop. After they dry, you're just going to simply peel them off from the parchment paper very easily, but it should come off pretty easily, and you can trim off any of the excess strings that the hot glue tends to leave behind. Next, you're going to flip over each of your snowflakes and place your hook right at the top and add a little bit of hot glue to hold in place. Next, we're going to be making our sugar and glitter mixture. So just add as much glitter as you want. And then placing your snowflake on a piece of paper towel, add a very generous layer of Mod Podge glue, place it into the sugar tray that we already have set up, and just pour your sugar glitter mixture right on top. And the glue will make the glitter stick. After you're finished with the front, just flip over the snowflake to the back and put another layer of sugar glitter on the back.
Ooh, they're so pretty. I love them. They look more like snowy. A lot of the ones that I've bought before are just like glitter, and that's boring. So snowy glitter sugar is the way to go. I kind of wanted to go like this champagne-y color, so I picked up this kind of like glittery ball. And you definitely need your little things like this, which I never can get untangled, and they always come in the package tangled. And then I got this really pretty ribbon in the same glitter, and I'm gonna make like a bow with the tulle, and I don't know how that's gonna work out yet, but in my head it's really pretty, so let's just go with that and see what happens. So when I decorate my tree, I like to start from the top and then work my way to the bottom. I don't really know if that's how anyone else does. So we're gonna do a bow. I bought like 2 yards of this, and I don't think I'm gonna use it all because I don't want like this massive Jojo Siwa bow on top of my Christmas tree. Fun fact about me, my mom is an interior decorator. So growing up, she had her own boutique, her own like interior design store where we sold gifts and home decor items and things that you can decorate your house with. Every Christmas, we would decorate people's homes for Christmas. So these like great big houses with big staircases and elaborate Christmas trees, and some small, some big, some in every room. So every year we would do like tons and tons and tons and tons of jobs like that. It was super fun, but it was also really tiring and exhausting because, you know, working retail at Christmas time is kind of insane. Like, I'm so glad I'm out of that. Always so chaotic around the holidays anyways, so especially when we were decorating people's homes, it was like, holy cow, I don't want to do this anymore. I just want to go home and relax and decorate my own Christmas tree. So my mom was always really tired, but she was like a total boss. So she did a lot. And so she taught me kind of everything that I know about decorating homes and decorating my home, and exposed me to so much so young that she taught me how to make bows. I have this so far, and I have this like white twisty tie. You could use like the floral wire, and I'm just gonna hold it in place while I do the glitter. Okay, Mom, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry if I'm doing this wrong. I haven't done a bow in like a while, but I think I'm doing all right. So then I'm just gonna put the glitter bow onto the tulle bow. No, where'd my twisty tie go? Voila! And at the bottom of the tree, I didn't really feel like getting a tree skirt this year. So I'm just gonna take this row that I don't really use anymore. So it kind of just finishes out the look without actually having a felt or velvet or weird looking tree skirt. I don't know, I just wasn't feeling a tree skirt this year. So now we're gonna watch The Grinch and move on to the mantle. So I got this actually really cheap, like $2 or $3 at Michael's, and it's a little bit of a different color than the tree, but I really don't think that you're gonna be able to notice once we get kind of everything in there. Where's the end? Ugh. So these all come like really mangy and flat, so you always need to fluff them. So next we're gonna add in some lights. Ugh. Oh, they're different colors. Oh, this sad day. No! Okay, back from the store. Another box of Christmas lights, hoping that these are warm white. I'm getting tired. I don't want to do it anymore. Now I have these like icy berry leafy twig things. Oh, glitter is everywhere. I don't hate it. Now when it gets in my hair. Earlier today I saw that I had glitter like in, you know how it's like kind of like sticks to the scalp, to your scalp in your hair? Like if it gets in your hair? No? Does that not happen to anybody but me? Okay. So I picked up some stockings yesterday, white with like quilting on it. They have like little pom-poms on them, but I want to kind of DIY them a little bit and put our initials on them. So M for MaCenna, and an R for Romeo, and a K for Kinsley. I kind of like that they're solid white, so I think literally I'm just going to embroider our initials. So I'm gonna, okay, so I'm gonna start by drawing in pencil the letter, and I want it in the corner, like I want it like down here. Okay, so I'm gonna do it in this like dark charcoal-y color. That's not how you hold scissors. I don't know why I just did that. That's pretty cute. That was a really simple way to add a personalized touch and DIY something that you bought for really cheap. I've never done that before, so I didn't know how they were gonna come out, but look how cute! So I hope you guys enjoyed these really simple and easy and cute holiday DIYs. And if you did, definitely hit the like button below. And if you want to follow along as I do more cute and fun DIYs for the holidays and into the new year, definitely hit the subscribe button below. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys! Because I have to be shorter. Stop making fun of me!